Hello and welcome back to Research Circle. So today we are going to talk about talk before the hope is gone. Sometimes we are feeling the different in attitude, behavior and action in some people around us. We notice the sign of addiction in them, but we put a chip on our mouth. We clearly see that they are struggling with the drug addiction and their continuous use can worsen the condition. Such a situation can deteriorate the circumstances. Assure before you communicate with them that you are well aware of addiction symptoms. Don't fear that how the person will react to your questions. Don't stop yourself from asking them out because your question can open in gateway for the communication. They may react entirely different from your expectation, but they will surely consider you as a person with whom they can talk and share. Start the conversation by assuring that the user that you are worried about their health. Show them that you are concerned and want to help them in their drug struggling period. Be gentle while talking to them and ask how they are feeling and what the impact of drugs are giving to their body that they can actually feel. Make sure that start conversation as a person to whom they can ask for help. When you will assure to user that you care for their health and happiness, then they may stop denying their drug use. So be calm in your conversation and understand the situation of the addict. Lately, you will be able to plan a treatment with him and can convince them to attend an assessment session at the rehab. So this is the way they may start involving you in their discussion and ask you for the further help. So with the help of your conversation, the addict will surely think about it. What are its impact his addiction is giving to the other members and the people around him. So we'll get convinced and recovering and receiving support from the rehab. So what does to be done next? Now next we need to reach out to the drug rehab center that is offering an authentic and reliable treatment. The treatment at the rehab is necessary because the environment that a drug user experience at the rehab cannot be given or created at the home. So rehab, the exposure of the drug user to the things entirely changes. So the initial step will be detailed assessment of the drug user and that can will involve with the what kinds of drugs and what consumed by the user, etc. So properly analyzed assessment determines the further plan that in which treatment program the addict will make the admission. The next thing is inpatient rehab treatment. This is a wonderful treatment that can give a way to turn the drug user's life into a normal one. So drug and the disorder their consumption cause in one's life can destroy to their existence of and drug. The drug causes chemical dependence, but a significant change can be seen and experienced by seeking the inpatient rehab treatment. So the treatment is best for the people who are using drugs for a long time period and are badly affected due to drug addiction. So the inpatient treatment offers a change in their addictions lifestyle. They live in a life under a designed schedule. The next one is partial hospitalized treatment. The second treatment option is partial hospitalization treatment. It is similar to outpatient treatment, but it is more like a standardized plan to follow clinical treatment properties. The patient who are recommended this treatment require some facilities of inpatient and some service of the outpatient one. In this treatment type, a person needs to pass some time in the rehab residence. The entire treatment time will be struggling by the or will be suggested by the rehab staff. So the treatment to help is to help the addict to focus on his recovery and try to make an effort to fight the drug temptations. The next one is outpatient rehab treatment. Now, this treatment types of offers treatment outside the rehab facility. The drug user will not be restricted to live at the rehab location. We all heard a quote that less is more. So this saying is perfect in this treatment regard. The people who are at the initial stage can opt for intensive outpatient treatment. It will surely initiate stage can opt for intensive outpatient treatment, and it will be sufficient process to meet the needs of the user who is not highly addicted to the drug. So the treatment can offer the least restriction environment to the patient. So the entire treatment will facilitate the client and will plan all the therapies and other activities according to the availability of the drug user. So this was all about today's video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Research Circle channel. Thank you so much and do take care of yourself. Bye bye.